Hello everyone, welcome to Peacock Way, welcome to my channel. Thanks for joining me. In today's project, I will be using watercolor paper, 8 by 8 watercolor paper, and I'll be using Stampers Anonymous stamps in the Eco Park stamp and Carabelle stamps. Along with that, I'll be using Crafters Workshop stencils. So for this project, I will be also using molding paste for the background and these distress oxide sprays I'll be using. So if you have not subscribed, please subscribe my channel, click on the thumbs up icon and leave your comments below so I can post more new videos. Here I'm using molding paste on stencil. I'm also using a silicone brush. Now once it dries up, I'm now going to spray distress oxide. And I'm going to use both colors and also spray some water on that. Now I'm going to dry it using my heating tool. Then I'm going to put some more layers on that. I'm using my distress oxide ink pad. I'm trying to make it a little bit grungy background. Now I'm drying this layer, and again I'm putting another layer. Now I'm drying the background again, and I'm using another distress oxide. Now I'm trying to take out the excess. and also I'm putting like drops of water on that, so it gives a different texture. Now I'm going to dry the whole thing using my heating tool. Now I am using the Distress Oxide ink pad and trying to make little more grungy background. Now I'm using Stampers Anonymous text stamp, and I'm using archival ink. Now I'm using Distress Oxide bright color ink pad, so it gives little bit of darker color in certain areas which I want like that. Now I'm using the Echo Park checker stamp. I'm putting a Carabelle stamp also on the background. Now I'm using white paint and splattering on the top. And I'll be using this Lumiere metallic paint. This I made it like using the die cut. I made like 3 layers, and I had to put together using the glue and made it like a thick chipboard, and I painted black paint on that. And now I'm going to use this metallic paint to give like a grungy style of look. Now I'm using washi tape. I had those in my stash for a long time, so I'm using those. Now I'm sticking all the elements. I'm going to stick the butterfly on the top using my foam tape. Now this is my focal point, so I'm going to use double-sided tape and stick on the background. Now as a coat, I found this tag in my stash, so I'm going to use that. I'm going to put the small ribbon for that and stick it on the project. Now I'm just trying to darken the areas which seems to be a little lighter, so I'm going to give like a shade. I'm going to darken the edges. Now I'm using white pen and I'm going to highlight it. That finishes the project. So if you like it, please subscribe, click on the thumbs up icon and leave your comments below, and I'll see you in my next project. Thanks. Bye.